In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a repair order in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the page that displays the available Odoo applications. This is where you can access the different modules installed in your database. Next, scroll down until you find the Inventory and Manufacturing section. In that area, click on Repairs to open the Repairs application. Once you're inside, click New. Odoo will open a blank repair order form where you can enter all the information for the job. Start by selecting the customer associated with the repair order in the customer field. Then, in Product to Repair, choose the item that needs service. If that product is tracked by lot or serial number, make sure to select the correct lot or serial number as well. This is important for traceability and helps ensure you're repairing the exact unit that was received. If the item is covered by a warranty, enable the Under Warranty option. After that, choose the scheduled date, which is the date the repair is expected to begin. Then assign the repair to the appropriate user in the Responsible field, so it's clear who is in charge of the work. You can also add relevant tags in the Tags field to help organize and filter repair orders later. Now move to the Parts tab. Click Add a line to enter the parts needed for the repair. For each line, select the appropriate type, product, demand, and unit. Odoo supports part types such as Add, Remove, and Recycle, so be sure to choose the one that matches the action being taken for each component. Taking a moment here to review the parts carefully can help prevent stock issues and keep the repair record accurate. After that, open the Repair Notes tab and enter any internal information needed for the repair. This is a useful place to document technician instructions or background details that should stay attached to the order. When everything is ready, click Confirm Repair. The repair order will move to the confirmed stage, and Odoo will reserve the required components. Once the repair is actually ready to begin, click Start Repair. This moves the order into the Under Repair stage. After the product has been repaired, click End Repair. If there's a difference between the parts originally requested and the parts actually used, Odoo will display a confirmation window so you can review that change. Once completed, the repair order moves to the repaired stage. Thanks for watching.